Hi guys, it's me again, and Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And you've seen this unit recently. This is from Rich, who initially sent this in for repair to original stock, but then later found out that because the original configuration requires a common ground speaker system, and he has a reproduction radio which requires an isolated ground speaker system. Unfortunately, he was forced to send the unit back to be converted for use with a repro radio. Now, needless to say, I gave him a huge discount on the conversion since he already paid me for the repair. And I think he sent me 2 or 3 jobs. So, we gotta be kind of fair about this. It was the same amount of work, but he'd already paid previously, so we had to give him a break. So let's go ahead and pop some Neil Sedaka in here and make sure that the converted 8-track still works. Okay, take a look at our meters. Make sure we got both speakers. Okay, now when the 8-track is converted, since all the amplifier stuff was removed on the 8-track, meaning that these controls will no longer do anything because all your control of volume, tone, and balance will now be done at the radio, and the only button that'll still work will be your track change button.
Have fun, put the blues on the run. You found a button you want to head of the by the hand. For a king bounce the world on it. Up your eyes, what you can't see. It's Alice in Wonderland. Deep blue sea. Break your heart. I'm like honey, can't you see? You'll bring out the monkey's little eyes.
Alrighty, that completes the test. And now the way that I've configured the lights is when you're using the radio, the stereo light will be lit on the 8-track. When you pop in the tape, this will go off and the tape light will come on. And I'll just demonstrate that real quick in case you didn't catch it. And there we go. Alrighty, so that completes the test. Everything's working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer. And I apologize to Rich for having to pay more to get the unit converted after he'd already paid to have it repaired. Unfortunately, that just sometimes happens. There can be a heck of a lot of confusion in the transition from the old classic car electronics to the newer stuff that works better and performs more reliably. So, thanks so much, Rich, for your almost unnecessary business, but of course it was necessary for it to work with the repro radio. So thanks everybody for watching and listening. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and my phone number for paying, repair, or conversion customers only, not to look for belts, parts, or free repair advice. That's not what I'm here for. My phone number is 928-533-9666. My very informative and elaborate website is in the description below. Thanks for watching and listening, guys, and we'll see you next time.